Mm. Sometimes you don't need words. Sometimes you just need a song to say what your heart is afraid to say. Sometimes you don't need words. Sometimes you just need a song to say what your heart is afraid to say. I've been carrying these feelings like a secret in my chest. Every time I try to tell you, my emotions do the rest. I can smile when I'm hurting, I can laugh when I'm not okay, but when the melody starts playing, my heart begins to say what my lips cannot explain, what I hide behind the pain. Every beat becomes a letter, every note calls out your name. Sometimes a song speaks what your heart can't say, when the words disappear and the tears find their way. Sometimes a song tells you I love you without words. It carries all the feelings that your silence never heard. Sometimes you don't have to say a thing. Sometimes a song speaks what your heart can't say. Oh na na, oh na na, oh na na. Let the music talk for me. Oh na na, oh na na. Can you hear my heart, baby? The song goes, the song goes, the song goes, the song goes what my heart can say. Maybe you don't see the struggle, maybe you don't know my pain. Maybe every quiet moment is me trying to explain. There are words I never told you, there are tears I held inside, so I put them in a melody and let the rhythm be my guide. If you listen just a little past the rhythm and the sound, you might hear my heart confessing what my voice could never get out. Sometimes a song speaks what your heart can't say, when the words disappear and the tears find their way. Yeah. Sometimes a song tells you I miss you without words. It carries all the feelings that your silence never heard. Sometimes you don't have to say a thing. Sometimes a song speaks what your heart can't say. If I can't say I need you, let the guitar say it. If I can't say I miss you, let the drums say it. If I can't say forgive me, let the piano cry. If I can't say I love you, listen to the melody tonight. Can you hear me? We can hear you. Can you feel me? We can feel you. All the words I couldn't say, the music gives them life. All the tears I hid away, the music brings them life. Sometimes a song speaks what your heart can't say. It reaches where the words could never find a way. Sometimes a song tells you I love you without words, and suddenly your heart feels everything it had. Sometimes when your voice is far away, sometimes a song speaks what your heart can't say. So if you ever hear a song and suddenly you start to cry, maybe it's not just the music. Maybe your heart is asking why. Maybe someone wrote the words you were never brave enough to say. Sometimes what your heart can't say.